As student fury over India's failing exam system snowballs into a full-blown political war, the Congress ramped up its stir across cities, girouing the BJP on the streets over the NEET exam controversy.
हमारी मांग है कि सीबीआई पर भरोसा नहीं है। हम चाहते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की देखरेख में, सिटिंग जज की देखरेख में इसकी इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए।
Even as aspirants run from pillar to post demanding justice, the BJP and the RJD in Bihar traded claims of a political link to a key accused in the paper leak.
जो किंगपिंग जो है पेपर लीक के, उन लोगों से इशू को डाइवर्ट करना चाहते हैं। जो अमित आनंद है, जो आपका नीतीश कुमार है, ये कौन लोग हैं? इनको क्यों बचाना चाहते हैं ये लोग? क्यों ये लोग जो है डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं इशू को? तो इशू को जो है डाइवर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए।
हम लोगों ने, सब लोगों ने मिल करके निर्णय लिए हैं कि बिहार के अंदर ये माफिया राज को खत्म करना, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को बहाल करना। आज इसके माध्यम से जो हमारे साइट पर, खनन के साइट पर हत्याएं होती है, गोलियों की बारिश होती है, अवैध खनन के लिए गैंगवार लड़ाई होती है, वो सब भी कैद होंगे और दिखाई पड़ेंगे।
Raising questions on the exam mafia in Bihar running with impunity, the police now suspect the role of a solver gang after the 4 accused confessed to their involvement in leaking the paper. With no clarity on the counselling yet, the future of nearly 24 lakh candidates hangs in the balance. Many like 19-year-old Vikas Singh have gone through multiple grueling attempts at what is seen as one of the toughest competitive exams.
I have been through this grill so many times that this has seriously led to a like what you can say a mental trauma kind of condition. It was really it was really worse to our which could have happened to us.
In the line of fire, the national testing body has begun the process of re-examination for over 1600 students whose grace marks have now been nixed. The Education Minister insists that the integrity of the exam is intact and that the guilty will be punished.
Our government is 100% committed for transparency, for the betterment of our students' future, and I assure you again, no malpractices, no irregularities will be tolerated by our government.
With no clear solution in sight, the system has failed these students who have no trust left in one of the world's largest testing bodies. With Prabhakar Kumar and Saurabh Gupta, Vedant Agarwal for NDTV.